Ready? Start. The Learned Council, appearing for the applicant companies, submits that the present scheme is a scheme of arrangement between Bajaj Exports Private Limited, first applicant company, demerged company number 1, and Rohit Polytext Limited, second applicant company, demerged company number 2, and Vidyabha Trade Line Private Limited, third applicant company, resulting company, and their respective shareholders. The Learned Council, appearing for the applicant company, submits that the first applicant company is engaged in the business of manpower supply. Apart from that, it has also invested its supply funds into properties such as land and factory building, through which it has rental income, and further has made deployment of its fund into other investable instruments through two different divisions, such as General Investment Division, through which it has made investment in unquoted securities, shares of companies, including investment in government securities, and various quoted marketable mutual fund units. Strategic Investment Division, through which it makes investments in quoted marketable shares of various companies. The Learned Council, appearing for the applicant company, submits that the second applicant company is engaged in the business of manpower supply. Apart from that, it has also invested its surplus funds into properties such as land and factory building, through which it has rental income, and further has made deployment of its funds into other investable instruments through two different divisions, such as the Learned Council, appearing for the applicant company, submits that the third applicant company is engaged in the business of letting of its property on rent, and has also invested its funds into real estates and other investable instruments, and is deriving income therefrom. The Learned Council, appearing for the applicant company, submits that the board of directors of the applicant companies, in their respective meetings held on 4th October 2021, have approved the proposed scheme with the appointed date as first day of April 2021. The board resolution approving the scheme of the first applicant company, second applicant company, and third applicant company are collectively annexed as Annexure H to the company scheme application. The demerge of business of demerged divisions of the demerged companies and transfer the vesting of the same in the resulting company will enable the resulting company to more focus on demerged divisions. The demerged companies will also gain from the demerger, since it can focus more on remaining activities. As part of an overall scheme of arrangement, the management of the demerged companies and resulting company has concurred on a plan whereby demerged divisions of the demerged companies will be demerged to and vested with the resulting company. The management of the demerged companies is of the opinion that the arrangements will enable it to lend greater focus to the operationals of remaining business in the undertaking. The management of the resulting company is of the opinion that the arrangement will provide greater capacity and better utilization of its resources. The arrangement will also enable to it consolidated its business by restructuring and reorganizing its business activities and capital structure. Thus, the present scheme of arrangement would involve transfer of a going concern basis of the demerged divisions of demerged companies to resulting company, and in consideration thereof the resulting company will issue equity shares to the shareholders of the demerged companies pursuant to section 232 and the other relevant provisions of the Companies Act 2013.